Hello, all my dear cuties. Welcome to Rangashankara's Mango Party 2021. Today I am going to teach all of you how to draw animals. Animals? Yes, animals. But what's special about today? It's a mango party, correct? So I am going to teach you how to draw animals with mangoes. What? With a mango? What? I mean it. Yes, you are going to learn how to draw animals today with mangoes. Ready? Shall we go? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. So now that we are going to draw these animals from mangoes, we are not obviously going to use real mangoes to draw them with, correct? But we still need something to draw them on. So we are going to use this white paper to draw on. And I am going to use this nice, beautiful, bright yellow paper. I'm going to cut out the mangoes from them. I'll show you how in just a minute. Now we need something to draw with. So this sweet little pencil. And then once we have drawn everything, I want to mark those lines with nice, bright, thick lines so it looks nice. So I am going to use these markers. And of course, once I've drawn the mango on this piece of paper, I want to cut it out. So I am going to use a pair of scissors. Now, my dear little friends, I am a big person, so I can use a big fat scissors like this one. But my little friends are going to have to use much smaller scissors. So ask your parents, they'll give you nice small scissors. And if you have any trouble cutting, you ask them, they'll help you. Okay? Now that we have this pretty, beautiful, bright yellow piece of paper, I am going to draw a nice mango on it. Mango, simple to draw. See, ting, 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 and a curve. And then the ting, 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 and a curve. And then I'm going to join this curve and this curve. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, I drew a mango. Now, I'm going to cut out this mango with my big fat scissors. So all of you, please get nice small scissors. Shall we go? 1, 2, 3 and go. I am cutting the mango. See, I'm cutting on the line. So then I'm going to have a mango shape. Now you may ask me, hello, what all this has to do with drawing animals? This is a mango shape. It's true. I'll tell you. Ayo, I went a little outside the line. It's okay. We'll manage, okay? Dun, 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 dun. I am cutting, turning, cutting, and I'm almost done. Excellent. So see, now I have a nice mango shape. Now see, I have this small pencil line here. I don't want that. So you can either use a rubber and take it out, erase it, or turn it around. And we are going to draw on this side. Okay? Like that. Now see, this was that paper, no, where we cut out the mango from. Now there's so much more left of the paper, I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to draw many other small mangoes on them. Like this. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, da ding, da ding. See, like this I can also make some thin mangoes, tall mangoes, long mangoes. Oh, ding, 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 like that. And then I'm going to, oh, there's some more space here. So maybe I want a nice longer mango here. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And then what will I do? You guessed correctly. I'm going to cut out all these tiny mangoes also, because then I can draw many animals with them. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shall we? Now, because I used up that large piece of paper to cut many other small mangoes, just see how many mangoes I got from one single paper. Mango, 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 small mango, long mango, One more long mango. Some more small mango. And then many, 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 many more mangoes. Woohoo! So now that we have our one piece of mango, I'm going to take this, turn it around, put a little bit of gum on it, just in the center, and then turn it around again, and I am going to paste it just a little bit so that it doesn't flop off the paper, and we still want it to stick on the paper so that it is a nice drawing. Okay? Now that we have this, I am going to use the pencil, and before which I have to tell you what animal we are going to draw. Now this shape of the mango we can use to draw many, many animals. Many. Really. But for this one, I am going to teach you how to draw a porcupine. What? Yes, a porcupine. Have you seen a porcupine? It's that animal which has all these like needly things all around it. It's quite a cute looking animal. Now first, all animals have faces, correct? So I am going to draw a face. And what is the face of the porcupine? Here comes the face of the porcupine. There we go, we have the face of the porcupine. Now, if it has a face, it must have a nose, no? So I am going to draw the nose of the porcupine. There, the nose is done. Then I am going to draw two tiny feet here, okay? Toink, toink, toink. And toink, toink, toink here. Now, porcupines have all these, like I said, needly things, correct? So, we are going to draw some needles on them. Needle, 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 needle. Needle, 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 needle. Needle, 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 needle. Needle, 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 needle. Needle. Ding, 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. And then once we are done with this, of course, porcupine also has eyes, no? So we will draw eyes, 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 eyes. And I'm thinking this is a happy porcupine, okay people? So the porcupine will smile. Okay. Now that we have our porcupine drawing ready, I'm going to use a marker and I'm going to just draw over the lines that we have made. See, like this. Tung, 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 tung. Tung, 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 tung. Ting, 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 ting. And the smile of the porcupine is coming. And then here is the nose of the porcupine. And then the eyes of the porcupine. Woohoo! Eyes of the porcupine. And then I'm going to draw the... Oh, maybe I want to draw the feet first. Feet, feet, feet of the porcupine. Feet to feet of the porcupine. And this side feet of the porcupine. I have drawn it. La. Okay. Now I want to draw these spiky things, correct? So shall we do them? Needly, 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 nung, tung, tudung, ning, ting, 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 tiding, ting, tung, tung, tudung, tung, tung, tudung, tung, 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 tudung, tung, 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 tudung. Needle, needle, needle of the porcupine. Needle, 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 needle of the porcupine. There we go. We are drawing all these needles. Then what I will do after this is I will take maybe a thicker marker. You can use the same marker also, but I will probably use a thicker marker and I will color in these spikies. Okay. Tung 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 tung. There is the needle coming along, And then one more needle is here. One more needle is here. One more needle is here. And the last of the spiky guy is here. So now that I have drawn them, I have my basic porcupine drawing. Now, it's nice to have a shiny nose, you see. So I'm going to put some shine on this guy's nose here. So when we color it, it looks nice. So now we are going to start coloring it, okay? So I'll start coloring from this side on the top, because sometimes the ink, you see, gets a little wet. And then when my hand goes over this ink, it starts smudging all over the place. So there, I'm going to do a small bit of black and then a small bit of white. And then a small bit of black and then a small bit of white, like that. Almost like a zebra. It looks nice like that. I think some part of the porcupine's quill is white and the other part of the porcupine's quill is dark brown or black. I don't remember which. I think the spinier end. See that. Dun, 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 dun. It's okay if you're drawing over the paper. That's the fun of it, right? See? See? Ding 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 tung 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 dun 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 dun. I am coloring the porcupine. I'm coloring the porcupine. I'm coloring the porcupine. Okay. I'm still coloring the needles, makkale. Ooh, mosquito. Hello, mosquito. Go away from here for some time. There you go. I got that. I got that. Two more needles to go, okay? We can draw many more needles also. See? And then... Ha! Now I want to make this face a little thick, okay? So I'm going to make this thicker. I'm just going to add another line over it and then see. What? Thick line. See? You can also do it like this, where you draw another line next to it like this, and then you can color it inside. That's also how you can make a thick line. Okay? And then I'm going to make the smile also a little thicker. And then I'm going to color his nose. Okay? Coloring the nose of the porcupine. Coloring the nose of the porcupine. I'm coloring the nose of the porcupine. Ding, 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 ding. It seems I like to sing when I draw. I'm coloring the nose of the porcupine. I'm coloring the nose of the porcupine. I'm just going to try and see if I can stay inside the mango shape. And then so that it doesn't go out. It's okay if it goes out, but I'm going to try and stick inside it. Stay inside the line. Woohoo! Ayo. Stay inside the line. There you go. Okay. And then I'm going to draw little things on his feet. Just make sure that his feet look a little nicer and stronger. And then there it goes like that. Then I'm going to draw some lines on his feet like that, so that it just adds a little bit of design to his leg. Yes, just like that. And then I'm going to thicken this, and I'm going to draw these lines just for a little bit of decoration. And then, oh, he's happy, so we'll also give him some eyebrows. Woohoo! 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 And there we go. We made mango porcupine. What is the next creature we are going to draw? We are going to draw a whale. What? Whale? And this time I'm going to stick it a little bit tilty down like this. So here I'm going to draw a tail on the outside like that. And then whales have water coming out of their spout here, correct? And then this is a very happy whale, okay? So I'm going to draw it going like that. We have a silly mango whale. So today you learned how to make this porcupine, and you learned how to make this whale. Now we learned how to make all of this just from a simple mango shape, correct? Now would you believe me if I said you could make a whole bunch of other animals with it? Like for example, you could make a bird. Ta-da! Or you could make this little bee with all the small ones that you cut out, correct? Or you could also make your own set of funny creatures like this guy. Who could this be? This could be jelly mango jellyfish looking at a balloon. See, you can do so many things with just tiny mango shapes that we cut out. Who knew? So my dear little friends, I had such fun making this video, and I really hope you had fun learning how to make all these silly animals from just simple mango shapes. And you know, if you end up drawing these animals, please would you send us some pictures of your mango animals as well? Then we can share it on our Rangashankara page. So until I see you next time, happy mango party! Tata, my dear friends. Tata!